Urhulumente wephondo lwaKwaZulu-Natal uthi uzakuyiqinisa nangakumbi inkqubo yakhe yokumiswa ngxi kweentshukumo kwisixeko saseThekwini. Inkulubaphathiswa umnumzana Sihle Zikalala uthi amapolisa azakuphuma ngobuninzi ukuqinisekisa ukuba uluntu lwaseThekwini luyayithobela imiqathango yokumiswa ngxi kweentshukumo. Esisixeko saseThekwini sinenani eliphezulu labantu kweli phondo abosuleleke intsholongwane ye-corona nabayi-380.
All is not well, and that we need to take urgent and drastic actions because we are at risk of losing this battle if we behave as if everything is normal.
Sekuzophela ukuba uvanzi. Undunankulu waKwaZulu-Natal umnumzana Sihle Zikalala uthi ukubona izakhamuzi zesifundazwe zigcwele imigwaqo ziphula imithetho ebekiwe ukuba sihlale emakhaya kuyakhathaza. Yize ezinye izifunda zakulesifundazwe zibeke izibalo eziphansi zabantu abahaqwe ilesifo, iTheku libukeka libhekene nenkinga enkulu. Isifunda iTheku sinabantu abangaphezulu kwama380 abahaqwe igciwane iCovid-19. Iziphathimandla zesifundazwe zithi kusobala ukuthi ezinye izakhamuzi zingosikhwili phambana nobhoko.
EThekwini usabona abantu behambela nje edolobheni, ubone imoto ziningi, ubone ukuthi akuzona zonke eziphume emakhaya ngoba kunezimo eziphuthumayo.
Isifundazwe sizophinde sithuthukise ke umkhankaso wokuhlola abantu bangaphezulu ke kwama600 abantu abahaqwe ileli gciwane esifundazweni. Okunye okukhathazayo ke isibalo esiphezulu sesisebenzi zomnyango wezempilo esezihaqwe ilesifo.
We then took a decision that a team is established within the Department of Health that is going to visit all the private hospitals that we have in the province and test, look at whether they are adhering to the protocols, where do they need the support, and where should we put our foot down as the department and say, you need to implement this or else.
Okunye okuzokwenziwa ke manje ukuthi bonke abantu abatholwe ukuthi bahaqwe ilesifo sebezokuhlaliswa ezikhungweni esihlonzwe uhulumeni kuze kube bayalulama. Inhloso yalokho ukunqanda ukubhebhetheka kololu bhubhane. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze SABC ngiseThekwini.